This is the question from the ACT area and perimeter benchmark that says the figure below is a circle inscribed within a square. The area of the shaded region is blank, and it wants us to choose one of the answer choices down here. So if we're trying to find the shaded region, that's this part right here, basically what we're doing is finding the area of the square and then taking out this entire chunk, removing it completely. So it's going to be a subtraction problem here because we're going to have area of the square minus area of the circle. So we need our area of a square formula, and so we can write down A equals length times width. That's our area of the square, and then we're subtracting area of a circle, which would be A equals pi r squared. So when we're trying to find the area of a square, we need the length and the width. Well, if I know that this is 18, and as a square, it's going to be 18 up here as well. So my length and width would be 18. So it's going to be 18 times 18. Whoops, not 80. That should be 18. And we'll solve that in just a second. Minus pi r squared. So pi will keep, and then my radius, if I know that this whole thing is 18, I also know that if I transfer it over, this would be 18, and my radius is going to be half of that. So half of 18 is going to be 9. So my radius is going to be 9, and then I'm going to keep the squared. 9 squared would be 81. And then 18 times 18, if I do it on my phone, we get 324. So that's my area of a square minus my area of a circle. And if I look at my answer choices over here, this one matches. Now this is changed around a little bit. Over here it says 81 pi, and over here it says pi 81. But since it's multiplication, it's totally fine. We can switch them around and it doesn't matter. So D would be your correct answer choice. For the question that you're going to try on your own, it says the area of this, or the figure below is a circle inscribed within a square. The area of the shaded region is what? And for the shaded region, we're going to consider that this part, this part, this part, and this part. So go ahead and pause the video, try to solve it, and then when you're ready, unpause the video and I'll give you the answer. All right, the correct answer for this question is going to be 36 minus pi 9, or you could have said 36 minus 9 pi, or you could have said 36 minus pi 3 squared. All of those will give you the same answer. They're the same exact number. If you solved it, if you actually multiplied 9 times pi and then subtracted that from 36, that's also okay. But as long as you were on one of those steps, that's the correct answer. If you didn't get that answer, go back to your work and see where you went wrong and see if you can try to fix it.